Good morning, guys. How are you doing today? Today is my day off, and we decided to go look for a new washing machine because our washing machine is not working right. It quit working, so we're gonna get a new one. Guys, we're getting hungry. We're gonna stop in Asian Star
It's 11:30.
because it's already 11:30 and we didn't have breakfast yet, so we'll get inside. We're going inside to get some breakfast because we're getting hungry. This is Asian Buffet located in Sawmill Road 2847. This is my breakfast and lunch because it's already 11:30.
Oh, give you one there.
11:30 breakfast and lunch.
Well, maybe it'd be $15 or 18.
All right, guys. Time check. 12:30 in the afternoon. We are here in Dex Sporting Goods. We are trying to get a life jacket. So let's go inside. Okay, guys, this store is too big. So right now we don't know where we're gonna get the life jacket, and we don't know in what section located. And I found the life jacket. And I found this, guys. Look at me, guys. Look at me, guys. I'm going to get this one because we're gonna get to the water next week, and I'm getting this. Nay, look at me. Cha cha cha. Back there. And
No,
here
they
is
ain't doing very much for
how
this.
much?
$14.
14. Oh yeah, we can get two.
Yeah,
Just get a big one. This
not
is
14.
yeah. Here is the life jacket, guys. Oh, this one, oh, 50% buy one get one free. See? 50% buy one get one, 50% off.
Kind of small, aren't
Yeah, that's small. I think that's for kids.
they? Yeah.
We will take time. Take our time and look for.
$14, not bad.
Yeah. This is a big one. Oh, this is good for you, ne?
$39.
We look at this one on the wall is this one's 49.
Yeah, no, too expensive.
Yeah. How about this? How about this? Ah, that's too big. How about this? This. Oh my gosh, look at this. $99.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And guys, this is for the kids. Yeah. How much is that? Yeah. Buy one, get one 50% off. How much is the one? Ay, 99. So, 99. No.
Nah,
We'll get the 14.
yeah, this one looks pretty big. Let me try one of these things out.
No. I have one. I found my size.
You got room in it?
Yeah.
Not too tight?
No. This is the second place that we check for our washing machine. Because the first place that we went, there is none that we like. So we try here. Let's see if they have the washing machine that I like. I pick up the Samsung. This is the one that I'm looking for. It's Samsung. And the price is 578. I like this one because the top is a glass. And then you can see the inside. And this one is for softener and detergent. Put the detergent here and softener. Look at this name.
Yeah.
You can put the softener
Yeah.
and detergent. And here is the bleach.
Yeah, this is a good one. You want a top one? It's everything you want right there.
Yeah. And no, none in the middle.
Yeah, and then in the middle here.
I really like this one also. The color is gray. Color gray. They have for the softener and detergent, and for the bleach. And look, this is also Samsung. It's Active Water Jet Smart Care. And they have normal, heavy, deep wash, beading, waterproof, firm press. Wow! Got firm press. Quick wash. Delicate. Rinse and spin. Spin only and self clean. And the price is 618. I like this one too. My gosh. Which one I'm gonna get? How about this? This one's a big one. 648. Samsung. And it's a big load. Look at that, guys. That is the price of the Whirlpool washing machine. There's a lot to choose, my gosh. But I don't like if they have this one. What is this? This is still Whirlpool and 798. Maytag. How much is the Maytag? 949 for the Maytag. Aha. Nice one. Oh, kanindot sa among puset. Wow, I like this one. Guys, we're here in Lowe's Appliance Center. There's a lot of appliances that I like. I like this dishwashing and the refrigerator, auto refill, and the cabinets. Wow, look at this. I like this. I like this one here too, exhaust. Hello guys, it's so hot inside the house, and outside it's something like 87 degree. And when we got home, there is no power, there is no electricity, there is no aircon. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. So did you hear that, guys? The generator outside, Herb, he just turned it on, the outside, and finally he turned his aircon because we already have generator turned on outside. So let me go check out the outside. It's really hot. What's the temperature now? 86 now? 88? 7 degree? 87? 90. 90 degree outside. And we don't have the aircon. And we don't have the power at all. Whew. It's so hot. I'm outside now. We turn on the generator. Whew, too hot. 90 degree outside. So I hope the electricity will come back later, because this is happening like 3 or 4 hours now. There is no electricity, no aircon. How can I cook? How can I cook for dinner? And it's not good to go out because there is no light for the traffic light. When we get home from Walmart, or when we look at for our washing machine, when we are in the road, all traffic light is out, not working at all. So we saw this 2-car accident because they're not watching the road. First come, first go, of course. But maybe somebody's not watching what they're doing. So they got accident there. And oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Too hot in the house. I wish they will turn back on the electricity. If not, maybe we're just gonna stay in the RV and sleep there tonight in the RV. Time check. It's 4:45. And it's almost time for dinner. How can I cook for dinner? The oven is not working. There is no electricity. Oh my gosh. Maybe I'm gonna do the grill tonight. I'm gonna do the grilling for our dinner and stay in the RV for tonight. Sleep in the RV. Alright guys. I'm gonna end up now. Because maybe I'm just gonna stay in the basement. Basement is cold down in the basement. I'll do something in the basement. Good morning. Today is Wednesday. Second day of brownout. No power, no electricity. How can I make a coffee? But my husband, he tried to turn on the generator, but the generator is out of gas. So it's automatically stop. I tried to make the coffee, but what?
That's your flashlight?
Yeah.
Yeah, here.
You wanna get gas from the RV?
Yeah, right now.
All right. You need help? Okay. Oh, I cannot. The coffee is not done, but it started a little bit.
Yeah, that's all right.
Here, drink this one a little bit. Oh, just a little bit. But it's tough, so I don't finish.
Just leave it.
Blah.
I'll get
You can finish this later, huh? After you get gas on the RV. So yeah. 6 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. What?
Oh, this got long hose on it too. Look at this. Yes.
This one here? Let me see. Yeah, this
Put this one down in the gas.
for the gas. And then you don't have to suck it up.
What?
You need help?
No.
No?
Plenty of hose.
Okay. Yeah, guys. He is going to get gas from the RV and transfer it to the generator. Because we're having a hard time to get gas yesterday. Every place we went, the gas station is closed because there is no electricity. And it's traffic all the way to the Morse Road to get gas. There we go. He's pumping. He's pumping gas from the RV. He gonna get more. It's last week we put gas on that RV like $129, cost of $129. But we didn't use the RV yet, so and now we need the gas. We'll just get from there and transfer it to the generator. He's pumping gas right now. Let's see if he can get Because we wanna get gas today also, but I think the gasoline station is still closed. A lot of gasoline station today is closed. And this power off, it takes 3 days. So today is Wednesday. It will be back by Tuesday, Thursday. So it happened Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday afternoon. At maybe, I hope 4 o'clock it will be back, the power. So yeah, I cannot drink my coffee. No coffee today. And that's the generator. That one there. He's gonna put gas on there.
Normal, okay. Okay.
So it's a normal.
Extra high,
No, medium.
water level. Mild?
Yeah. That's medium.
Okay. Okay, now
The water?
temperature water. What do you want? A cool, echo warm, or warm?
Warm.
Yeah, for now. Okay. Okay, that's all set now.
And then what you do? Start.
Yeah, just push that to start.
Too many buttons. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. There we go. See, now wash. See.
Wow. No water. They say goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Okay. And water level spin on the
Oh yeah, extra
What?
high. Oh,
there.
you don't want it extra high. You want it medium, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Medium, then warm, then normal, and then what? Post
I
start.
don't know. Let's see what.
Did you see the
Okay.
right there? Oh,
Yeah, no, just a minute. The wash indicator illuminates. The estimated cycle time will appear in the display. Okay, that's 57 there. The time may fluctuate to indicate the time remaining in the cycle. Okay.
the actual required for cycle may offer from the estimate time in the display.
Before your washer starts to fill, it will make a series of clicking noises to check the door. Check the
Door lock.
lock and
Do
do
a quick drain.
Okay. When the cycle is complete, the door lock indicator will go out. Door lock. Where's the door lock? Not locking will come.
Wow, this is hard.
They're not locked.
Lock.
there it is.
Okay.
Okay.
You have to
leave it
pause.
alone now.
You have to pause the
Yeah,
start.
Yeah. When you hear this thing lock. Okay, now.
Now it's blinking.
Yeah, no, that's all right. It's
Water.
supposed to, yeah. See, it's washed.
Yeah.
The actual, okay. The time may vary. See, it's working by itself. Don't worry about it, see.
But there is no water.
What?
It's spinning, but there is no water. Look. It's spinning, but there is no water.
Yeah, but it's got to go through a cycle here first.
Ah.
See? See, the door is locked now. See, it stopped now, right? Yeah,
Yeah, it stopped now.
yeah.
And maybe rinse. No. Oh, wait, what's that? Was it first?
There you go.
Oh, there you go. Water.
Yeah, no, you gotta patience, patience. This is all electronics.
Well, I like my old one.
Okay, put it back.
Yeah.
No, this is nice. Just keep the book handy.
I will just leave the book in here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
See guys, they have the water now.
Water's coming out.
I saw the water there.
I'll take this thing off
Yeah, maybe so we can see the.
so you can see what you're doing.
We'll take this off, so we can see what you're doing inside. Energy guard.
Oh yeah, now we can see.
There you go.
There you go.
We'll just put this one here. Ano?
No, you don't need to put it back on there. That just tells you, the energy consumption and stuff. You just put it inside the book there if you want to. Oh, this is nice. I like it.
Wow, it's using too much water.
It's got normal. Yeah, putting the soap in there too. See the soap there?
Yeah, and then
There it goes, I see.
so this door is locked. How
Yeah.
can I put the softener?
Oh, you should have put it in there before.
I know. Next time.
Yeah.
So we have to put the softener and
Both at the same time, yeah.
yeah, the same time.
It'll go through.
And here the bleach if I need some bleach.
Yeah.
We'll put all together because the door it will
Yeah,
lock.
yeah.
Why we lock? They don't want us to open? Guys, we cannot open the door when it's on laundry. I have to study this one. So you have to push the power first, and then
Yeah.
the settings here, and here, and then the start.
Yeah.
No, I have to remember that one. I have to put the softener and the laundry detergent all together
Yeah.
the same time.
Because it distributes itself, What it needs, when you need the softener, it'll automatically start putting it in there.
Wow, I got confused for the knob. How do we know if it's on normal or heavy? Because there is no, like the other one, there is no dot. But this one, when
Oh, it's working.
you push start,
What you doing here?
more water.
Yeah.
You want me to turn off the light so we can see inside? Yeah, there's water. Oh,
Yeah. It's still filling.
yeah. See that? Oh, look. You can just see the ceiling. That's the
Yeah.
ceiling. The ceiling.
Okay, let me read.
Okay, read the book because I don't want to read the book.
Yeah.
Water level is on medium. Now it's spinning now. See that?
Oh, yeah.
It's spinning.
Oh, it's going back and forth. Okay. Oh, hey, that's cool. Yeah. Oh, this one's easy. This one's easy to run.
Spinning. Oh.
Let me read a little bit more. the cycle is complete,
Yeah.
the door lock indicator will go out. Pressing power cancels the cycle and stops your washer. The wash, the rinse
It's doing, it's washing, it's washing.
and spin indicator will
Oops. Oops, I think I should put it on high. I should put it on high because you see it, oh,
Yeah.
my pants, there is no water on my pants.
Yeah,
See that?
yeah.
Next time.
Yeah, you gotta
See?
put more water
I got,
in, I guess.
yeah.
Yeah,
I
you
should
had,
put
you
on
put
high.
a lot of, yeah. It's too late now. Yeah. You can do it again if you want.
No, too much water. That's good. So that's it, guys. I want to show you how to work on my Samsung washing machine because I'm not get used to it, and this is my first time in using it. And that's it.
Yeah, you put a lot of clothes in there. That's
Yeah.
why. That's why it's not.
So I'm gonna stay here and watch for that.
Yeah.
Did you see with my new cell phone when I'm doing on video?
Yeah.
See that green one there?
Yeah.
Because we update the cell phone. Look
Yeah.
at that.
Yeah.
It's on video.
Yeah.
So now I will turn this off now.
Oh, they got one bedding too. See.
Yeah. Yeah, so the beddings, it should be on high.